Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and today I'm back again with a new video. So as I said in my last video that I'm going to make a video about getting your doubts clear about after coming back you should be joining your coaching classes, or you should take online classes, or you should be staying in home and studying by yourself. So again here is a 3 scenario. So I will be presenting you all the cases and then you can get a clear mind on where are you standing and what is the best approach for you towards your exam. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Let's make your mind clear. So let's come first of all on this mind that I hope that every one of you would have been studying in your last year of your college. You would have already started your preparation. If you have not started your preparation, don't worry, I have a plan for that. But if you have started your preparation, then first let's come on the not studied plan. So your convocation and everything would be going on. When also day from back to your college, you're coming back to India, make up about your mind already and come back that what is going to be your study plan. Take 1 week of off, relax in your home, meet with your parents and then come back for study. You are having 6 months, I think so 6 months also not, you're having 5 months in your hand for December exam, and with every passing days, the days are going to get very fastly going because you're back to India. So it means you're going to attend all the festivals and everything. So you are going to have a short time and you have to cover a lot. I mean you should be able to at least revise at least 2 to 3 times of your revision. You should be able to give at least 10 to 15 GTs in this month. Every month at least 3 to 4 GTs you are going to give. So a lot of things are to be done. So let's give you a clear mind. First, अगर तुमने बिल्कुल भी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट नहीं करी है, if you have not at all started your studies in your college and you are fully coming back in India with a mind that I have to give exam for a try and I'm going to do whatever is needed in the 6 months. So the best option for you, कोई ऐप कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just go and join a coaching center. It can be anything. It can be Arise. It can be Mist, or it can be any other coaching classes. I don't know the names of all the coaching classes, but you can join whichever is good for you, whichever is near to your home, or if you have to stay in hostel, and whatever also is good for you. Just close your eyes, go to the coaching center and join there. Why? Because कोचिंग सेंटर में तुम्हें एक प्रॉपर पढ़ाई वाला इन्वायरमेंट मिलेगा. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द प्रॉपर स्टडिंग इन्वायरमेंट. If you are staying in hostel also, or every time you will have a packed schedule because morning classes till evening you are going to be in classes. After coming back you have to revise them. You have to see what all you read today and you have to revise them. Again tomorrow you have to get up for class. So you are not going to have any extra time for wasting and doing any extra stuff. Every week after or every subject when it gets finished they give you a test. तो तुम्हें पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. You have to study because you have to score in test. If you are going to score less, that is not a good thing. You have to score because if you are studying, you have to score. So that way you will be fully in your mind of studying. There won't be any much extra things to do. So that is the best option for you guys. But if you have already started your studies and then you are coming back, you have a lot of options. If you have already finished every subject in your college, that is really great. First of all, if you have already finished every subjects, and if you are a person who can study in home, if you can study in your home, like I completed my entire preparation from home. I didn't join any library, I didn't join any online classes, or I didn't went to any coaching centers. I was having prep ladder and I prepared for that. I already completed my entire subjects. I was only left with medicine at the end and I completed the rest subject in my college. So I came back and I was studying in my home and I prepared it in my home. So if you are same person who can study in your home environment is good enough, you don't have any kind of distractions in home, so please stay in home. No need to go to coaching centers and no need to go to join library and anything. You can study in home. You already have the app, you just have to revise. You have already studied the 19 subjects. Just go through your notes again and again and again. Keep giving GTs, coming and start giving your first come and give a GT. If you have already done with all your subjects, you will come to know how much more do you need to work. So that is going to give you an idea. Second scenario comes if you can't study at home. सबके घर एक जैसे नहीं होते. Everyone's home is not same. if you can't study in home, so much kids are there, or if it's a joint family, or any kind of distractions, so better join a library. Agar if it's a university I'm saying, sorry, if it's a coaching library, so if that is okay for you, you can join that, or else normal libraries bhi hoti hai, so you can join that. And same, you can open with your app subscriptions and everything, and you can go with your studies. abhi tumhare kuch subjects bache hue hain, you have not completed your entire subjects, and still some subjects are left. If you can, if it's a big subjects, so you should be coming and studying very fastly, I guess. Rapid revision videos पे switch कर लेना कुछ subjects के लिए, and so you can correlate with that. But अगर coaching join करना है, coaching for whom it is going to be better, if you have not studied enough subjects, like तुमने सिर्फ 5 to 6 subjects complete करा है, and then if you come and you have not done your any of the main subjects, because अगर तुम खुद से करने बैठोगे main subjects, studying in home and sitting by yourself and studying needs a very discipline, commitment, and a very strong mind. Because every day you are going to get 10 reasons in your home not to study. Movie is going on TV and everyone is watching, and you are sitting in a room studying. That is very frustrating, trust me. Any guest comes, you just have to show your face, you have to come back again for studying. Your favorite person comes, or it's a Sunday evening, everyone is going out and you have to stay in home. So you need a very disciplined routine. Today mood is not there of studying. Maybe today I solved a test after studying. I went on apoptosis topic and I solved it, and more questions became wrong. Now your mood is fully bad. Now you don't want to study. So let's leave it today. Tomorrow I'm going to study. So there is a lot of, I can say literally you are going to get 10 reasons every day for not to studying, but you have to be disciplined, and you have to be focused, and you have to be committed that no, I have to study. You have to take out every day 8 hours of output. Then only your home studying is going to be said as satisfactory study. That is one thing which is better in coaching classes or online classes, because वहाँ पे पहली बात online classes में तुम्हारे lectures online हो रहा है, live हो रहा है. That is going to stay for maximum of some days, 1 week maximum. उसके बाद वो lectures available नहीं होते हैं. So in back of your mind it is there, if I didn't did it today, I have to do it tomorrow, because it is not going to be available after that. And coaching centers का भी same, if you are going to miss a class, if you are not in a mood to study, that topic is going to go. Now you have to go to your friends, take a note, and then you have to come up with that. But first hand knowledge is a different thing, and किसी के notes copy करना है, then you have to understand it's a different thing. So वो एक scenario हो जाता है. So all the 3 scenarios depends on you. If you are well disciplined student and you have studied everything, you have finished with your all subjects, please stick to your home. If you have not studied anything and you are not at all a disciplined student, please go to coaching. If you have studied some subjects and you are not a disciplined person, please go to coaching centers or online class, whatever is good for you. Some person have phobia of asking questions in class. They can't ask doubts in class and everything. So for them online classes are better. You can go back and see the topic again and again and again, because in classes teachers are going to be in a speed manner. They are having a limited amount of hour to give you. 4 days of medicine, 4 days of surgery, so they have to finish the entire surgery in 4 days. तो तुम बाद में जाके अपने डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हो. बट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में क्या होता है, या सब्सक्रिप्शंस में क्या होता है, यू कैन गो बैक, यू कैन अगेन प्ले इट, यू कैन गो बैक, यू कैन अगेन प्ले इट, नहीं समझ आया तो. So these are some things which are both of the things has their pros and cons. I'm just presenting you the case scenarios to just clear your mind. So this, I think so I said all the 3 scenarios. Library join करना है, or you have to be in home and study. You have to go in coaching classes, or you have to go for online classes. So I think I delivered all the possibilities. If I would have left some, please do comment in the comment section and let me know. And I hope it just helps, it clears your mind in a way of what you have to do, because you have to come up with a plan back to India. Don't come here and think that after going India we'll see kya hoga. Better make a mind if you have to be appearing in December exam. So just make up a mind about that and go according to that. So that will be all from my side. Thank you for listening me. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for these kinds of videos, and do let me know if I can help you in any other way. till then I'll be seeing you in my next video. So bye bye, take care.